Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. I didn't show like the whole process because I started on my hair last night. I was just watching TV and I was like, let me get up and shampoo my hair. That is that, but we're going to style it together this morning and see how that goes. So I will have to insert a picture of these little rollers, but they're the little pink ones. They come in 2 sizes and you roll your hair up and then they flip under. So I will insert a picture of the rollers I'm talking about. So that's what I used on my hair. So I rolled my hair last night. I set up under the dryer probably for about 40 minutes. Alright, I'm back. So I just, as you can see, finished my makeup. And guys, I can probably guarantee with the heat and humidity, this right here is going to be something else to deal with. I usually do not like my hair when I first, do it. I much better like old 2-3 day old hair or older. It's definitely my preference. But I'm just going to continue to lift this. Guys, I like my hair as big as it will get. This is cool. These curls, as you can see, they're already almost gone. But these curls will probably, I don't know, last 2-3 days. So as you can see, my hair is, well, did my makeup one. I am on my way to work. You can see my lashes are still drying. But this is it, guys. You can see my curl pattern is just, and see, here's another thing. I don't put product on my hair. The only thing I put on my hair is oil. Some kind of oil, some canola oil, shea butter, vitamin E, those kinds of oils. I do not put product on my hair. Maybe next time I do roll my hair, which probably won't be for a while, but maybe I'll use like some kind of wrap lotion or something like that just to hold the curls a little bit longer. But this is it, guys. This is my hair. Again, I like my hair as big as it will get. So at nighttime, what I do is like cut up old t-shirts because of the material, and I will stretch my hair with that. So I'll come back tomorrow after I have, after I put my hair up for the night and stretch it and do all that, and then I'll come back and show you what that looks like. So stay tuned until tomorrow. Alright guys, I am back. So as you can see, I just kind of slipped in a little beanie last night. This did loosen up, but probably because it was pulling. But usually I'll put one at the base, like really taut, and then I will just take another piece and just kind of feed it down my hair so my hair is actually stretched. But this is what went down last night. I couldn't find all the pieces I needed, but this is fine. I didn't want to totally lose all of my curls, so I just did the base. Ooh, and that feels so good coming off. And I usually do more than this, but I just did 4, which is plenty. Really depends on my hair. If it's an old hairstyle, sometimes the old hairstyles are the ones that look and feel the best. So if it's an old style, it tends to be a little bit more dense. But as you can already see, it's stretched out quite a bit. Alright guys, so I'm trying these wireless mics and I am just not having luck. As you can see, it just cut out on me. I had like no indication. I'm just doing my hair or whatever. Anyway, but as you guys can see, I'm just pulling my hair out. This is pretty much all I do. I just usually use my fingers to pull my hair out. Every now and then I will use a blow dryer, but that's definitely after my hair is like weeks old, that I will use just a little bit of cool air to pull my hair out a little bit. For the most part, I just use that stretch method to get my hair stretched out. And really that's it. Again, I will braid it or either twist it and put those cloth cut up t-shirts on my hair. The more I stretch it, like if I put the cloth t-shirts all the way to the end, it'll just be stretched out more. But I generally try not to put heat on my hair, and that's it. I'll just style it with my hands. Let me know, guys, if you guys have any cool tricks or tips, things you do to your hair to stretch your hair out. All right, guys, so that is it. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram or TikTok, give your girl a follow at LRH Makeup and also _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, turning on post notifications. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.